What's going on, guys? This is Zach, aka Zeo Fox, and by now you guys know that I love to do the 3D printing videos. And today is particularly special for two reasons. One, it's almost Halloween, my personal favorite time of the year, and two, I got some brand new filament from ColorFabb and the guys over at Printed Solid. As you can see, I picked up their bronze fill filament. You guessed it, it has actual bronze powder inside of it. That gives it quite a bit of weight to it. I was very surprised. And yes, this stuff is still plastic, but it has bronze powder inside of it, infused with it, however you want to call it. And I just think that is absolutely way cool. As you guys know, I'm pretty big into the Celtic things, and if you haven't, just look behind me at this tapestry. Who could go wrong with something like that? It's so peaceful and calming. And when you mix the two together, Halloween and Celtic, you get the Celtic skull. The model can be found on Thingiverse. A link will be in the video description, just in case you guys want to take a crack at it yourself. Alright. Let's hop on over to the main screen and I'll show you the settings of the printer and all of that other fun stuff. Alright, as you guys know, Cura is my slicer of choice just because of how good the prints turn out. Now, this is our Celtic skull model, and I've already got it loaded in here. We're gonna print it at a 40mm print speed at 215 degrees C. Through some testing that I have done previous, it's what I found out works best for my version of printer. And if you guys will take a look here, you'll notice that my build area is circular. That's because I'm using a Delta printer. I've upgraded the shell thickness to make sure that it's going to be nice and sturdy when it gets done, and I'm doing a 10% infill for the entire thing. Quick FYI, you'll see here that if I look at the model like this, you'll see that some of it is dipped below the surface of the build platform, and that's because when I originally tried to print this, it came out all stringy and messed up because it wasn't sitting completely flat on the build plate. So I just had to drop it down about 3.2mm, and it prints just fine. So just a quick tip for you guys if you're planning on printing this. So we're gonna go ahead and save this. Let's kick it off to the printer. Well, after pulling it off the printer and examining it just a little bit, I couldn't find anything that was wrong with it. I mean, just look at it. Absolutely flawless. The quality is by far some of the best that I've seen, and I have to thank the guys over at ColorFabb for creating such an awesome filament. I mean, it bridged the eyeballs, the eye sockets, and with no hesitation and no glitching whatsoever. I mean, the overhangs over here on the sides, I'm just very impressed with the amount of detail that this product can produce. It's absolutely amazing. If you guys want to go and step your 3D printing game up, then I would definitely suggest going and getting some ColorFabb filament. Great people over there, great products, great prices. So, and as always, don't forget to like it if you like it. Hit that thumbs down button if you didn't like it. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you think I should print next. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. It helps me out. Lets me bring videos like this to more people that are into it. Alright guys, I will see you on the other side of the interwebs. Take it easy.